nigga ain't mad, no. I'm just trying to chase the cheese, bring it back to the hoe. I mean, back to the coast where I reside and they know me by my first name, not my nickname. I've been cruising for the bruising, hope this crooning change the music.
Why you got that wig on? You don't look like Michael. You look like Mikael Myers.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Casino. Welcome back to my channel, man. I know y'all wondering why I got this Jason costume on right now. Shout out to Turnstile for their 1-year anniversary for the opening of their shop. They're having a costume themed car meet that they invited me to. And yeah, man, I got into character. I got on fresh Jason this year. Got my Bapes on, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna wash this car up and we're gonna take it up to Turnstile, and y'all see much more when I get there. And I bet y'all wondering why this video sounds so good. Shout out to TikTok Shop. I got me a new mic for only $5. So put in the comments, let me know what it sounds like. And yeah, all the videos will be a lot better now. Probably should have waited to put this on, but it is what it is. Fuck, bro. Am I the only one that stops the gas right on an even number? I always try to do that. All right, we got a full tank of gas. Now we ready to rock, man. I can't wait until this car is a manual. Like, just, man, sometimes I just be pretending like my shit's manual and it's not. Like, this shit's so boring. But yeah, man, soon we gonna be manual, man. All right, y'all. Gotta get my mask on. Gotta get into character, you know what I'm saying? That was a nice little drive. Watch me be the only one dressed up. I'm gonna be pissed. All right, y'all. This is how we put and roll up. I feel like I'm the only one dressed up. That's gonna be funny as fuck if I am. It's low-key a lot of cars. Cool little amount. All right, y'all, we made it to Turnstile, and look at that. They even saved me a spot, bro. They saved me a spot inside the shop on the inside of the meet. We got the R33 up there. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all a little walk around. Got the E46 with that, I don't know what the color is. I'm calling it Phoenix Yellow. Three in here. Look at this vet, y'all. Holy crap. And it has an angle kit on it from Parts Store. One day we might mess around and put this in the E36. Look at that. And it got BBS's on there, big baller. This dude got bread. Woo! One day. And he has the toy car. Y'all seen this E36 from the last video. Sitting nice. You got Recaros. You got Moss's wheels on there. Him and Moss did a trade. 2J. This is Matt's car, one of the co-owners of Turnstile. Another E46. Look at that brown interior. Interior is so clean. This is super clean too. Look how clean this engine bay is, y'all. It's like one of the cleanest engine bays. Got the whole roll cage in there too. You got speakers attached to the roll cage. Look at that. Damn. That angle is crazy. I know. From Parts Store?
Park Shop Max.
Oh, Part Shop Max.
Yeah.
He's talking about drifting this shit. I could not do it. I would need M's to do that. God damn.
What's going on, dude? Holy shit. How are you? Good. Long time no see, dude. This thing's coming along. I know, dude. It's like looking good. It's like this close to this. How it always is, man. I know.
Man, look at this. Yeah, that's clean. Man, y'all tell me what y'all favorite car is here. F80 M3.
The accident wasn't there before.
It's getting dark out, y'all, but still hella nice cars pulling up. You got cars with the glow underneath. You got Bros Drift E36. Drink some water for sure. Ooh, it's S2000. Let me turn the flash on. The big ass wing. Look at this dude. He's all freaking themed out. Flying Miata. I know this motherfucker fast. We finna go inside, show y'all what they got up in here again. Bro, shining his stuff up. These lights just make everything look so perfect. Clean ass interior. Man, what's y'all's favorite car in this car show right now, or car meet? Look at that. GT3, got some R33s. E46. Y'all seen this one before?
People see me spending money on expensive shit and think I'm rich. Bitch, I'm not rich. I'm irresponsible.
I think this is all the cars that's gonna be here. I made it inside, y'all. Come on now. Got Bros F80 M3. It's so nice. You know, we got the Skyline up there. Almost ready to get on the road. Bro got the BBSs on here. So fire.
Oh shit, look at the motherfucking wheels.
Bro got the carbon wing, carbon hood. Interior is fire. You got a CS M4. Look at the, bro, money. Look at that. This thing is crazy nice. Does this count as a mod?
Horsepower.
Horsepower, how much?
Shit, dude, at least 15.
15?
15, dude. Wheels up.
Oh yeah, we're locked in now. I get like an action shot of this.
Let's back that ass up.
Fire. It's always dope seeing people talk about your car. They don't even know it's your car. Yeah, the lobby is pretty dope though. They got a set of wheels for like a little nightstand thing, a little table. They got the old school. All right, y'all, we are ending the video here, man. I hope y'all liked the video. It's your boy Casino. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out, man.